Kappa-Wave machines are designed to meet ASTM and Indian standards and are manufactured in India. We offer two models. This video shows a lightweight 7-inch touchscreen display with 16 hours of battery and 16 GB internal memory. This unit weighs about 1.2 kilograms and can be wrapped onto your wrist for work. Just touch and slide along the baseline to change the range or select from a saved list. Touch and slide on the vertical scale to change amplitude. Touchscreen is very sensitive and resistant to oil and grease used in UT. You may also use the range button to enter a value. You may use a stylus or your finger to work on display. Gauge can be easily moved anywhere and amplitude can be changed easily. Range may be set using velocity and one thickness or a 2-point auto calibration. Single gate may be used to measure echo to echo distance. It offers a built-in scientific calculator. It also offers excellent penetrative power with low noise. A new reject control that does not lower the echo amplitude is also provided. An RF display is also available. It offers an echo store function that may be used to store an echo temporarily and compared to another job. Offers an easy to construct 14-point DAC and TCG and offers the DB to DAC by default. Offers high sensitivity and resolution and presents sharp and unfiltered echoes. With pulse width control and echo to echo function, it offers accurate small thickness measurement ability. The machine offers a B-scan ability. A normal probe and a 37 mm Perspex block with few holes are used in this B-scan demo. An easy to use AWS D1.1 well testing tool is provided. A beam plot ability is also provided for angle beam examinations, where the test material thickness is plotted and an echo is gated and its location will be displayed. In this case, the gated echo shows the bottom corner with a depth of 49.4 mm. As the gate is moved over to other echoes, its location can be seen in the cross-sectional plot. In this case, the gated echo shows the reflector after a bounce with a depth of 36.7 or 37 mm. With the supplied interface software, a custom report may be prepared in few minutes. Files saved in the machine cannot be manipulated and offers the confidence to third-party inspectors. Reports can be customized with company logo and address, and drawings and Excel data can be placed on the report. The machine offers a VGA and PC connectivity. Offers 7 different color combinations with high visibility in any light conditions. We also supply quality accessories for the machines. Our products are of high quality and are designed to last long. You will find it economical to buy and a pure joy to use these machines. Send us a WhatsApp message and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching.